Hey guys, it's Ranch My Dad, are you? And today we're gonna talk about dams. What is a dam? A dam or reserve is something that blocks the water that flows. Dams reserve water to generate electricity. Well, do you know where the world's largest dam is? I'll give you a hint. It's where the Great Wall of China is. Yes, China. And the dam's name in China is Three Gorges Dam. But today I'm going to talk about a special dam, Grand Inga, which is built in the Republic of Congo. It's estimated around $80 billion US. Wow, that's big! Well, why are they building such a big dam? Well, because to solve the power problem in Africa. They say it gives 40,000 megawatts of electricity, equal to 20 nuclear reactors. And this is built on Congo, which is second largest river. I hope this is how it solves the power problem in Africa. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And I'll come back with a new interesting video. Bye bye.